2016 offers significant enhancements to make working with point clouds easier and more efficient. Point clouds can be very large, containing millions or billions of points. You can use cropping tools to help you focus on a specific area in a point cloud. In this point cloud project of Red Rocks Amphitheater, for example, you might want to crop out everything except the stage so you can focus on stage renovations. Later, however, you might want to focus on designs for a different part of the project, such as the dressing rooms in the South Tower. In AutoCAD 2016, you can now save your different crop areas as named crop states to easily restore them at a later time. Crop states maintain the cropping boundary of the point cloud as well as the visibility of scans and regions that are displayed in the Point Cloud Manager when the crop state is created. Point clouds now support section planes. A new section plane drop-down control has been added to the Point Cloud Contextual Ribbon tab. It enables you to create section objects for the selected point cloud for different orthogonal orientations or by specifying points. If you use the 2-point option, AutoCAD will automatically detect planar faces on the point cloud model, enabling you to easily align the section plane to the model. With the section plane created, you can use typical section plane tools to specify the type and location of the point cloud section. Creating a thin slice enables you to better visualize what the section through the point cloud at that location looks like. And using the new Extract Section Lines tool, you can actually generate geometry from the point cloud section. After selecting the point cloud from which to extract section lines, a dialog box enables you to adjust the section line extraction settings. Use the Preview Result control to see the result and make desired changes before committing to the section lines. After pressing Create, a progress meter displays on the status bar while processing the points. The time to process depends on the number of points analyzed. If you choose to preview the results, you can modify the settings to quickly see alternate results without having to reprocess all the data. When you're happy with the results, you can accept them to complete the operation. Now we have true AutoCAD geometry generated from an accurate point cloud to begin redesigning the stage structure. It can sometimes be difficult to see drawing geometry since it can be obscured by the point cloud. To help address this, point clouds now support transparency. You can set transparency in the Properties palette and from the Point Cloud Ribbon tab when a point cloud is selected. To further aid in creating AutoCAD geometry from a point cloud, Dynamic UCS now supports point clouds. Simply ensure Dynamic UCS is turned on and all point cloud object snaps are turned off. If an attached point cloud file includes segmentation data, you can begin drawing on the face of that point cloud without having to manually change the UCS. As you pass the cursor over different faces, the UCS automatically aligns with them, allowing you to focus on your design and not the design tools. 3D object snaps in AutoCAD 2016 have been significantly enhanced to support point clouds to further aid in creating AutoCAD geometry from accurate point cloud data. New point cloud object snaps assist in snapping to edges, corners, and center lines, just to name a few. Using the nearest to edge object snap, you can snap to the edge of two intersecting planes, making it easy, for example, to draw a line along the edge of a wall. The corner object snap is similar, but it detects the corner of three intersecting planes, enabling you to snap to the corners of the objects. The centerline object snap detects cylindrical shapes, such as pipes, or in this case, the curved wall. By drawing a centerline for the existing curved wall as well as the previous line we created at the edge of the building, we can use AutoCAD's 3D modeling tools to begin developing a design that complements and integrates with the existing conditions. The powerful combination of robust point cloud and 3D modeling functionality in AutoCAD 2016 enables you to accurately build on existing conditions, providing a jump start to your designs.